Today we will learn how to create AI video for free. Dreamina is an AI-powered image generator developed by CapCut that enables users to create stunning visuals from text prompts or existing images for free. Log in using your Gmail or CapCut account. Dreamina offers 150 free daily credits. Click on Generate to generate image. We asked ChatGPT to create a creative image prompt. Here's what it came up with. Copy and paste the prompt inside the image generator. Next, select Model, Image 2.1. Aspect ratio, click on 16:9. Lastly, click on Generate. This will generate 4 images and cost 3 credits. This is the visual Dreamina created based on our prompt. We will select image number 2 to generate video. Click on Generate Video button. Now let's head back to ChatGPT to craft a detailed action prompt for this image. Copy and paste the prompt inside the video generator. For model, select Video 1.0. Aspect ratio is set to 16:9 automatically. Click on Generate button to generate video. This costs 30 credits per video generation. All right. Now that we've animated our image using Dreamina, let's take a look at the final result. Now it's time for the fun part. We will be showcasing 5 different videos, all created using Dreamina's image-to-video magic. Each one has its own unique vibe, so sit back, relax, and get inspired by what you can create. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative content like this. Your support really helps the channel grow.